Jiangsu Hengtong HV Power Cable System Company Limited, lies in the riverside between the estuary where the Yangtze River meets the sea and the Sutong Bridge of Changshu Economic Development Zone, which is wholly owned by Hengtong Optic Electric Company Limited. With a 118-meter high cable producing tower reaching to the sky, Jiangsu Hengtong High Voltage Cable Company Limited is a new high-tech enterprise of national level specializing in design, research, and development, as well as the manufacture and the sale of extra high voltage, medium, and low voltage power cables, submarine cables, submarine optical cables, and optical fiber composite submarine cables. The world-leading production and testing equipment, excellent raw materials, advanced manufacturing technique, and a strict quality control system have effectively guaranteed Hengtong's leading role in the industry. The company uses the Chinese most advanced continuous drawing and annealing equipment, as well as good quality oxygen-free copper rod and lubricant oil to ensure smooth and round wear surface, excellent conductivity, and qualified elongation. The use of non-stop bobbin replacement device has greatly enhanced the efficiency of wear drawing process. In order to produce excellent long submarine cable, Hengtong introduced a frame twisting machine from German's Guide Company, which is full automatic with tension control as well as a wear breaking warning device. In addition to nano-diamond drawing die and cooling system, under the pull force of 60 tons, the machine can produce a silicon conductor whose cross-section is 3,500 square millimeters or below, and it can also produce compacted circular, water-blocking conductor of 2,000 square millimeters or below, which is suitable for submarine cable. The use of 6.5 meters back-twisting turntable can realize the continuous production of a 50 kilometers large size water-blocking conductor. Insulation process is the key process of submarine cable production, and Hengtong introduced 4 VCV and 4 CCV lines from Tristar Company of Germany, equipped with 100-class clean room, gravity feeding, preheating and post-heating of conductors, online X-ray signals measuring, control surroundings system, and other automatic control technology, as well as excellent no-diet angle height design. The equipment can produce for 21 days continuously, triple extrusion of conductor screen, insulation and insulation screen, capable of producing cross-sectional area of 3,500 square millimeters of conductor and below, as well as 10 to 500 kilowatt insulation cable carries. The 8.5 meters online degassing chamber is developed and designed by the company itself. Insulation heating and degassing of submarine cable in the clean back-twisting turntable will make a full vulcanization on insulation and relieve internal stress. The company uses the newly developed continuous lead extrusion machine for lead sheets production, in addition to ultrasonic thickness metering to ensure the lead sheets thickness, and realize the continuous production of long submarine cable lead sheets, capable of producing lead sheets whose core diameter is 5 to 160 mm. Because the production of submarine cable protecting sheets is characterized by coordinated control and the use of BM-type screw, which had good plasticization and large output of plastics, as well as the advantage of a round and smooth sheets surface. The company can realize coordinated action between plastic extruding machine and lead extruding machine, and completed the production of protecting sheets and lead extruding in the same process, through reasonable layout and software control. The company uses most advanced vertical assembly and armory machine for the process, suitable for the production of 800 square millimeters of maximum 220 kilovolt 3-core cable, continuous production of 20 kilometers large cross-section, and long optical fiber composite submarine cable without factory joints. And the machine adopts 3 8.5-meter back-twisting turntable for pin-off, or uses 3 5-meter drums for pin-off, 128 bombing PM630 steel wire straining cage, and 60 tons 4-build traction caterpillar introduced from Germany. The cable cores are paid off from the turntables of a vertical assembly machine and assembled through the die, and then continuously wrapped. Bitumen coasting, steel wires armoring, and outer serving. Pulled by strong 4-build caterpillar, put the finished cable into 3 cable storage tanks, whose diameters is 14 meters, and capable of storage of 100 kilometers large cross-section submarine cable. For properties testing on submarine cable, the company introduced 750 kilovolt high voltage and partial discharge test equipment from German high-volt company. Operated by the professional engineers, the machine can ensure the quality of each submarine cable. The submarine cable manufacturing workshop of Hengtong company at a favorable geographical location. It has 2 10-ton valves whose water is 12 meters deep throughout the year, so that large ships for cable laying can reach the port. The cable produced can be directly stored in cable laying ships through 50-meter long cable conveying bridge, and then go to the certain area of the sea for cable laying by Golden Waterway of Yangtze River. Hengtong company had an experienced expert team for cable laying and had successfully laid cables over 100 times, totally for state-grid corporations of many countries. Based on the famous brand of Hengtong and international advanced equipment, leading technology and scientific management, Jiangsu Hengtong High Voltage Cable Company Limited is striving to become a world-class high-voltage submarine cable and land cable production base.